The day I picked it up from the seller, we got an old school mini bike. Got to figure out what kind of frame it is. I think it's a Ripper or something like that. But we just put this engine on it. It's loose. Just making sure everything line up. And they line up. I'm going to get a tensioner for down here. And we're going to put some foot pegs across right there. Be easy to ride, and it's still way back here, but we're going to see how we could get it situated. But yeah, that's it right here. The engine is not bolted down. It's just sitting on there. So we just go with it. See how we can get it situated. There you go. This is the new project. Got some rust, surface rust on there. Springs. We don't have no springs in the back. So I got to figure out what kind of mini bike this is. I don't know. Some of the Rippers have springs right here. So we just got to see what kind it is. But just a little beginning of this project. I'm going to sand it down and paint it. Try to get it in good condition. I got to re-weld this stuff right here. I have to cut this off. Re-weld that. Yeah, we got a little space right there. Yeah, we'll sand it down and re-weld that stuff. But both sides, the tabs. But yeah, we customized a little square brake. Bolted it on there. I'm gonna try to tack weld it under there to make sure, tack it on both sides and try to go across the bottom too to make sure it stay on there. Just temporary right there for right now. I'm gonna leave the bolts in there, but I'm gonna weld it under there to make sure it'll come off. That's pretty much it. We're finna get an engine together and put on there. So we got a little everything on this little homemade workbench, but we got cold weather outside, so just in the garage, take care of this stuff right here. So yeah, we be back. The update. This the first start. Just letting it run a little bit. Run pretty good. Just need a few more adjustments. I'm soon to paint it. A little carburetor, and we have to put the filter on there. Pretty cool little mini bike. I think it'd be too fast for some kids. Maybe a teenager would be good for a teenager. But it's still a small mini bike. A nice little sound. This the first start after I painted. I had to replace the side cover because the recoil messed up on the other one. I had no more strings, so I just slapped that one on there. I repainted it. It's just a gloss black. And put a different muffler on there. I was using the other muffler off my other bike, so that was temporarily. It came out pretty good. Seat looked good. It ride pretty good too. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.